What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we have an unboxing. Right here is an R142 Ford train. Here, it's not the paint, literally. It's not the paint. It's mainly how the train body itself looks. Now, why is it quote-unquote cursed? Well, if we look at the roof here, it's barely round. Barely round? This makes the train look like a literal... Now, why is it for trains I own, and to compare and contrast the looks of this train to the other fours? Now, as you can see here, this is the 2019 Ford train. I'll show you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, as you can see right now, I have gathered my other Ford trains here to show you guys the comparison. Now, as you can see here, this is the 2019 Ford train. You can see that, like I said, it looks like a box. But if you look here at these other Ford trains, yes, this is 62. It's considered a rare. This is a R142A. Now, I did say this is R142A because the box is R142A and how it's different for this 2013 Ford train, R142A. It has a train as well as many other trains that has like a flat roof. It about the 2019 Ford train because one of the R62 Ford